Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good habits. Do every good action with the right hand. Do any dirty action with the left hand. Say salam to everyone. Obey and serve your parents. Thank Allah for every good action. In this lesson, here we will read about what is good habit. Means a child, a baby, or a boy or girl, or students and teachers, what they do, what will be good habits and what will be bad habits. So here we will read only about good habits. So do every good action with the right hand. So here always we should do our own work that is good, that is considered good, and that work is good, and we understand that this work is good. So we should always use our right hand to do that work and do any dirty action with the left hand. So, and here, always we should do every work that is considered bad and wrong and that is considered not good. So, always we must use our left hand to do that work. Say salam to everyone whenever we will meet to anyone. So, as we meet and we want to talk and we want to ask something. So before starting our kalam, before starting our speaking, we must say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Say salam to everyone. And here it is not, it doesn't matter that that is elder, that is father, and that is mother, and that is little, that I am little. It doesn't matter. It is our good habit and it is our responsibility and it is our own duty. Whenever we will meet, we will say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Obey and serve your parents means in every situation and condition we must serve, we must obey, and we must follow our parents. Thank Allah for every good action whenever we do any work. For example, we start doing something and easily and hopefully we complete that work. So at the end of work, we must say thank to Allah because every work can be done and every work is be done every work is done by Allah. So because of that we must thank to Allah. So we will say thank Allah for every good action. So this is a very simple or nice chapter. We must remember each and every word because these all words are very important to for my life. So because of that we must remember these words.